In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Lovable watermark from your website step by step. First, open Lovable and log into your account. Go to the project that contains the website where the watermark appears. In many cases, the Lovable watermark is shown when using the free plan, so you may need to upgrade your plan to remove it. Navigate to your account settings or billing section and check which plan you are currently using. If the watermark removal feature is included in a paid plan, select the upgrade option and choose the plan that removes the Lovable branding. After upgrading, go back to your project settings and look for branding or customization options. Disable the Lovable watermark option and save your changes. Republish your website to apply the updates. Your website should now appear without the Lovable watermark.